In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to track website traffic using HubSpot analytics. Monitoring your website traffic is crucial for understanding your audience, optimizing your content, and ultimately growing your business. So whether you're a seasoned marketer or just starting out, this tutorial will provide you with the knowledge you need. Now let's dive right in. First things first, we need to go to the HubSpot homepage. Simply open your browser and type in hubspot.com. This is where HubSpot offers a variety of software tools that make it easy to manage your business efficiently. Once the page loads, you'll find the option to log in at the top right corner of the screen, so go ahead and click on Login. This is your gateway to accessing all of HubSpot's features tailored to your business needs. Now that you've logged in, you'll find yourself on the HubSpot home screen. This is your central hub where you can navigate to all the different functionalities HubSpot offers. From here, we want to make our way to the reporting tools, so take your cursor to the top navigation bar where you'll find the reporting option. Clicking on it will take you to a section filled with different analytics and insights options. Next, look for marketing analytics. This section houses valuable insights that will help you understand the performance of your marketing activities. Clicking here will direct you towards more in-depth data that you can leverage for your strategies. Once inside the marketing analytics area, you'll want to look specifically for web traffic analysis. It's a pivotal feature that provides you with detailed reports about visitors coming to your website. Click on this option and you will have access to a treasure trove of information about your site visitors, including where they're coming from, what pages they're viewing, and much more. Finally, after clicking on web traffic analysis, you will see comprehensive dashboards and reports filled with metrics and data visualizations. These analyses provide an in-depth view of your site's traffic patterns, sources, and user behavior. Take some time to explore these as they can greatly inform your decision-making processes for marketing strategies and website improvements. And that's it, you've navigated through HubSpot to find all the traffic analytics you need for your website. As you can see, HubSpot provides a robust platform for understanding your audience and boosting your web performance. Feel free to revisit these steps whenever you need to check in on your website's health. Thank you for tuning into this tutorial and I hope you found it helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more insights and tips. See you next time.